Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Braids up Morning, back again with a long awaited video. I sincerely apologize guys for not posting. It's really been something very deep and very personal, and I really appreciate the support nonetheless. Right here I'm showing you some of the products that I'll be using today on my client's hair. Her name is Terry Joe. Thank you so much, Terry. Big up to Terry. This is the first time I am attempting this method. It's a knotless box braid in medium with curly ends. I think the name is Curly Ray, if I'm not mistaken. But today we're going to do the Terry curl. That's what we're gonna do. So I start off by oiling my client's hair and parting at the back. Now I use various combs, a comb to comb through the client's hair, a different comb to part. I also oil my client's hair with the oil sheen. I noticed that when I use this oil sheen, it really helps me to part the hair, because in this tutorial I did not use the edge control that I had initially wanted to use, because it was the first time I was trying it and I wasn't sure if it was going to leave the white residue as most of these edge controls in Jamaica would normally do. I however used the edge control in another client's hair and it came out pretty amazing. It never left anything around the scalp or the perimeter of the head, and that was awesome. So I'm really looking forward to continue using this product, and I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Now, just before I continue to have you watch what's really going on, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video once I post. Also, if you have already subscribed, thank you again for coming back, and I really do hope you guys learned something from this video. Okay guys, so now I've come to the end of my first knotless box braid, and in order for me to lock the plait for it not to pull out, what I did was to take a small portion of the end of the ear that will be going around rods, just to tie it or to secure it. Most persons would normally use rubber bands, but I didn't have any rubber bands, so I had to figure something else out, and that was simply by tying a few strands of the hair to secure the plait so it doesn't pull out. Now that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video. So I just want you guys to continue watching and try to see if you are able to take away anything. If you have any suggestions, please remember you can always leave a comment down below. Tell me what hairstyle or trending hairstyle that you'd want me to try again. Leave your comments, drop a like on this video, and also don't forget to leave without subscribing and sharing with family members and friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Okay guys, so this is what it actually looks like with the rods on it, and this is the finished look. After I realized after watching the video that the ones at the back, the curls were a little bit too long, so they needed to be cut. So this is what the finished look looks like. She was really satisfied, and she kept talking about it, so I'm really happy that I was able to give her something that she liked. Guys, this is the end of my video. Please look out for some more. Love you guys. Bye.